DJI Osmo Action 6 portrait mode, Boya Magic. And I figure I might as well get some video this way on a low light, not a nice day, and it's brisk and cold. And I am also holding the wand. And you don't talk this way to the wand because the hole is this way, where my nose is pointing. This test is without noise canceling. It's the Boya Magic, as is, with the blue light. I could change both at the same time by either pressing on the microphone or the wand. But you have to have one of the mics in the wand to operate correctly. The Boya Magic has 700,000 plus AI samples to make the best sound quality for the microphone. There is wind coming across, and yeah, let me tell you, open up the application, set it to the 3 octaves you want, 1, 2, or 3, and you could choose an equalizer as well. There's a lot you can do with the Boya Magic. Let's tell you the settings. 4K 60 frames per second, natural wide, EIS should be rock steady, and the front screen I see a full screen because I'm on portrait mode. Turn it around, you'll see the blank bars on each side. In pro settings, my shutter speed is 1/100th over 1/8000. My EV value should be at negative 0.3. And my ISO can only be at 100 through 400. Cannot be that way. I meant to say 100 over 800. We have no control of doing a minimum to the 100 levels or the maximum to the 100 levels. And of course we have the texture and video noise reduction on a -2. There's this priority quality that just keep it in the on. And anything else, auto white balance, auto white. If we have the camera not orientated locked, the front screen, when tilting the camera around or moving it, it's going to go black and then back to the regular screen. That is not a defect. Just lock it, fish, and you won't see the black screen. DJI will not give you 100, 200, 400, 800 in that type of perspective. They only give you 100 through 800, the minimum and maximum of choosing an ISO. GoPro, you have the option to do the minimum and the maximum, and then just slide the levers where you want it, 100, 200, 400. DJI said they have to change everything in order to make that happen, and they're not going to do it. But you know what? The aperture, they can add whatever they want. Why can't they do ISO? All it is a simple switch and add it in. There's no color. It's very gray. And we had like a flake here and there. We make it sleet. The floor was wet and it's cold as can be. It is what it is, man. So I thought I'd come out a little later, do a little walking and a little thinking. Did you know when you swipe up or hit the lower center and then you go to the top center, you got, where's open gate? Custom. And the next one's default, landscape, portrait. Did you know it's repeated in there, the default? Why would you want to have default if you have custom that is open gate, landscape and portrait? You want to do portrait and landscape, all you do is rotate the camera and then hit record. You can lock the orientation as well, lock it in. So you don't need to have default. So kind of like DJI duplicated things. I'm not saying DJI is bad. I'm just showing you the good, the bad, the ugly. I just point things out, what I see different. I like the thumb screws. If it's Insta360 or DJI, the GoPros and aftermarkets I got, they gotta be tossed out. They're not good for the reasons of, they're too thick and the screw length is just a little long, and I am cranking the hell out of it. Now these are very slim and they got a larger thumb head and they work just fine. And you can't find anything like that from the company, but aftermarket. Well, maybe I'll get with DJI, maybe I'll get with Insta360 and say, hey, could you send me just a few? It'd be helpful and useful. Now I tell you, before these days get out of here, Black Friday's gone, Cyber Monday's gone, but we still got some sales dedicated. And yeah, I'm still looking at the Insta360 Go Ultra. And nobody has answered my question. Is it like a DJI where it's shut down and you hit the record button and it immediately comes on? Do you have to set it up to do that? Just hit the mode on once, turn it off, and then you're good for so many hours? I asked. Well, I did my highlight of the talk. I hope you enjoyed it. It's time for me to get on out of here, get on walking, get on going. I gotta go meet up with Joe. Business? Yeah, beeswax, man. Let me tell you, did you see the video with the glasses? The only thing it's missing was Dopplers. Bring them into a store, I was told. And thank you, my friend. Definitely right. Bring them in, get them set up for you like Ray-Bans. Man, they do up to 12 minutes of record time. And they stay on all day where the instruction says if you don't do anything for 5 minutes, they turn off. Mic is off. I shut it down. I could tell by the dongle, but it faces to the back of the camera. I wish they put the LEDs to the front as well. Just maybe one to say, hey, I'm working. It is what it is, man. And the mic's right here with the little mic muff. What I plan to do is not use this mic muff, but just put something on the front that covers the mic. But I'm not sure if it's going to muff the wind out of it all. It'll just cover the little whole area. But yeah, you have to use it this way. There's no other way around it. Yes, indeed, man. Yeah, different things happen at different times. Let's get on going. I'm Fish. And I'll see you on the next walking vlog. Have a great one, everybody. When I start out, I'm at 100%. When I complete, I'm at 65%. I'm about 10% less than my other camera or more. And I never shut my camera down. I leave it on from the start to the end. Maybe the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro has a longer battery life than most of the cameras. Have a great one.